You ever find yourself squinting at your phone late at night, trying to manage your finances and wishing there was a gentler way? Or perhaps you're just a connoisseur of sleek design, someone who appreciates the aesthetic appeal of a well-executed dark interface. If so, you're in the right place. Because today, we're diving deep into a feature that's not just about comfort, but about enhancing your entire banking experience, Monzo's dark mode. For years, the digital world has been steadily embracing the power of the dark. From operating systems to social media apps, the shift towards darker interfaces has been more than just a passing trend. It's a fundamental recognition of user preference, eye comfort, and even battery efficiency. And in the world of personal finance, where we spend significant time interacting with sensitive information and making crucial decisions, the importance of a user-friendly interface cannot be overstated. Monzo, a challenger bank that has consistently pushed the boundaries of what a modern bank should be, has been at the forefront of this movement, offering a dark mode that's both functional and beautifully designed. Think about it. We check our bank balances in bed, on public transport, and dimly lit cafes. The harsh glare of a bright white screen can be jarring, even disruptive. Dark mode, with its subdued tones and inverted color schemes, offers a welcome respite. It reduces eye strain, particularly in low-light conditions, making it easier and more comfortable to navigate your finances. But it's not just about comfort. Dark mode can also contribute to better battery life on devices with OLED screens, as black pixels consume less power. And let's be honest, it just looks cool. It exudes a sophisticated, premium feel that aligns perfectly with Monzo's modern brand identity. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty of enabling and customizing Monzo's dark mode, let's take a moment to appreciate the journey of Monzo itself. Born out of a vision to create a bank that truly worked for its customers, Monzo emerged as a disruptor in the traditionally rigid banking sector. From its vibrant coral card to its intuitive app interface, Monzo has consistently prioritized user experience. They understood that banking didn't have to be a chore, it could be empowering, transparent, and even enjoyable. This commitment to user-centric design is precisely why a feature like dark mode isn't just an afterthought but a carefully integrated component of their ecosystem. They listen to their users, they innovate, and they deliver features that genuinely improve the banking experience. Now, let's talk about the specific benefits of Monzo's dark mode. Beyond the general advantages of dark interfaces, Monzo has implemented it with a keen eye for detail. The colors are carefully chosen to maintain readability and clarity, ensuring that even in the darkest setting, your transactions, categories, and financial insights are easily discernible. It's not just a simple inversion of colors, it's a thoughtfully designed theme that integrates seamlessly with Monzo's existing visual language. This attention to detail is what sets Monzo apart and makes their dark mode more than just a cosmetic change. It's a functional enhancement. So, how do you unlock this visual upgrade? It's surprisingly simple, and that's another testament to Monzo's commitment to user-friendliness. Unlike some apps that bury such settings deep within obscure menus, Monzo makes it straightforward. The process typically involves a few taps within the app settings, allowing you to switch between light, dark, and even system default modes with ease. We'll walk through the exact steps shortly, but rest assured, you won't need to be a tech wizard to activate it. Once activated, you'll immediately notice the difference. Your spending categories, which are so central to Monzo's budgeting features, will pop with new vibrancy against the darker backdrop. Your recurring payments, your pots, your savings goals, everything takes on a new dimension. It feels less like a sterile financial tool and more like a personalized, intuitive dashboard. This subtle shift in perception can actually make you feel more engaged with your finances, encouraging you to interact with the app more frequently and stay on top of your spending. Let's consider a practical scenario. Imagine you're winding down for the night, perhaps scrolling through your Monzo feed to see how your budget is holding up. With light mode, the bright screen can be jarring, sending a jolt to your eyes that makes it harder to relax. With dark mode, the experience is far more soothing. The subdued colors create a calmer environment, making it easier to review your transactions without feeling like you're staring into a spotlight. This can contribute to better sleep hygiene, an often overlooked benefit of dark interfaces. Another significant advantage, as briefly mentioned earlier, is the potential for improved battery life, especially for those of you rocking devices with OLED or AMOLED screens. These screens work by illuminating individual pixels. When a pixel displays black, it effectively turns off, consuming no power. Therefore, a dark mode interface with its abundance of black and dark gray pixels can lead to noticeable power savings, extending your phone's battery life throughout the day. In an era where we rely so heavily on our smartphones for everything, including managing our money, every bit of battery life counts. Beyond the practicalities, there's an undeniable aesthetic appeal to Monzo's dark mode. It's sleek, modern, and sophisticated. It aligns with a contemporary design sensibility that favors clean lines, understated elegance, and a focus on content. For many users, dark mode simply looks better. It can make the app feel more premium, more polished, and more enjoyable to interact with. This isn't just about superficial beauty, it contributes to a more positive user experience overall. When an app looks good, you're more likely to engage with it, and in the context of banking, that engagement can lead to better financial habits. Now, let's get into the specifics of how to enable Monzo Dark Mode. It's incredibly straightforward. Open the Monzo app, launch the Monzo app on your smartphone, making sure you're logged in. Navigate to Settings. Once in the app, look for your profile icon or the Account tab, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it. Find App Appearance or Settings. Within your Account section, you'll need to scroll down to find App Appearance or a General Settings option. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on your app version, but it's usually quite intuitive. Select Dark Mode or Theme, tap on App Appearance or Settings. Here, you should see options related to your app's visual theme. Look for Dark Mode, Theme, or Display. Choose your preference. You'll typically have 3 options. Light, this is the default bright theme. Dark, this will immediately switch your Monzo app to the dark theme. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.